In today's video lesson, we are projecting and anticipating the move of these three pairs for the weekly Forex forecast. Okay, so DXY, Euro Australia, and US Tech. Okay, so before we jump right into it, a little bit about myself. My name is Mr. Emmanuel. I am from Nigeria. Okay, so this is my profile picture which I'm using for my thumbnail. And what this simply also means is that having gathered all the knowledge I have been able to gather from all the Forex traders, the professional Forex traders, and now I am using it to form my own strategy, which helped me to become a profitable in the market. Okay, so that is what my profile picture in my thumbnail stands for. So now, whatever you are seeing me doing is my own personal strategies, having gathered all the knowledge and combined from all the professional traders I have been following, just as I was trying to explain in some of my videos about the professional traders I normally use in my thumbnail with their names. I always say that it's not that I'm working for them or I'm using them to prove that they are the one that is analyzing the video. No, I'm only using their pictures to inform my fellow traders that these people are the people that I've once followed. They are the professional traders that have read their books, or maybe one or two knowledge I have gathered from them through maybe social media or maybe their books or their videos, whatever. But I just want to let you know that I have gathered enough knowledge, hear stories from them, so you too can make a research to know about them. Okay, and also tell yourself, if people who comes from nowhere can be able to make it, then nothing could stop you. Nothing should stop you. Okay, so that is the essence of using all these people. I have a lot of them that I followed. With time, you are going to see even more of them and their strategies. Okay, so now this is my weekly Forex forecast. Okay, so today's weekly Forex forecast, I have the XY, Euro Australia, and the US Tech. So I'm also trying to also pass the information that what I am about to do, anything you are seeing here as a strategy, is what I have gathered in the market, the knowledge I have gathered from all the professional traders, and then using it as my own personal strategies. So that is what I'm about to also pass to you right now. Okay, so guys, let's quickly jump right into it and see what it looks like. So the first pair here is the XY. Okay, so and we are in the daily time frame. Okay, so what is my eye being able to see right now as it is? What can I see? What am I seeing? Okay, now from the general move, this is what the market looks like. Okay, it's a kind of triangle. So meaning that if there is anything we are going to work on based on this triangle, we are not going to look anything outside this triangle. Okay, so this is what it looks like for now. And as you can see, the market has already worked this high, coming down to retest, okay, with a higher low, okay, with a lower high, sorry, then come back to a lower low here. So now we are looking at a kind of retest from this zone. This is what I personally am looking out for now. Okay, so this week I'm looking out for this market to come back here, come up here, retest, then and drop. I don't think if there's anything too difficult here to explain or to understand. So I personally, this is what I am seeing. Okay, it does not matter even if I bring it down to 4 hours. This is exactly what I am seeing. So I want to see the market come and retest this very particular trend line. Okay, and then I'll start selling down to this point. Okay, so this is 104.060. Okay, 104.060. That is what I have here. Yes, this is exactly where I'm looking out for sell. 104.060. So then looking down to take my profit at least, let me put it here, 101.900. 101.900. So this is my take profit for the week, guys. So I think this analysis is very clear because I'm not really seeing anything much. All these are different zones that I'm also seeing. Okay, so you have to map out some of these zones. Okay, because this may also determine where your first take profit and your second take profit may be before your last take profit. Okay, so for me, this is what I am seeing. So I don't know about you. Okay, so that is it for this very particular pair right now. Okay, so let's quickly look at the next pair. The next pair is Euro Australia. Okay, so we are already in 4 hour here. I think this is the high that I'm looking out for. I can still take it to daily. Okay, so the first high and the second high here, but at least it's advisable to work with the first high here. So we should hold on for the for the second high here. We should hold on for this first high. Okay, so with the look of things, for me to see it more clearly, I bring it down to 4 hours. 4 hours, this is a kind of double top here. Okay, so meaning that the market may be hardly to go above this very particular high. So that is why I have to place it here. So now what am I looking out for? What I'm looking out for is that this market is going to sell. That is what I am seeing currently. And this is the target that I'm looking out for. So, okay, because if you look at the move of this market, it has already made a move, okay, and then also consolidate. Okay, so now this consolidation is breakout of the consolidation. The market just break out of the consolidation. So what are we looking out for? Or what I personally am seeing right now based on this analysis is that this market will continue to come up to this point. Then at the end, it will just drop. So the drop, I may not really take it so down, but it's better for me to keep it here. Okay, so I don't even really know if actually it's going to come down to this extent. Guys, remember, we are just trying to do what? Predict. We do not control the market. That is what thing you should have in mind. We are only trying to do what? Predict the market. We are forecasting. We are anticipating what the market may likely to have in store. Okay, we do not control the market. But that notwithstanding, the market is free to do whatever it pleases any day, anytime. Okay, so we are just anticipating, but that doesn't mean that we are not going to take a trade based on what is clear and what we understand. Okay, we can't just see market moving, you want to buy. So it's better for you to wait for the market at a certain zone where you are maybe sure of. Okay, so that is just it. And at the same time, the market may also likely to do what? Still come back to retest this zone again. Excuse me. Yes, before it take off. Okay, so this is what I'm just seeing. This is what I personally am seeing based on my own strategy. So I don't know about you. So feel free to let me know what you are also seeing, or if you have a different view, or if we are in the same direction. Okay. All right. I think this is what I have here for this particular pair, Euro Australia. So let's quickly look at US Tech. Please feel free to let me know what you have in mind. Okay. All right. Um, so this is a US Tech 4 hour. Okay, and what am I seeing right now? What am I seeing right now? This is what I'm seeing. This is what I'm seeing. I'm seeing another triangle somewhere here. Okay. I'm coming back to expand it. So this is what I am seeing. Well, I don't know if I will ever do anything in my trading without a trend line. I wonder how I will be able to be seeing my chart if I'm not working with a trend line. Trend line shows me a lot of things. Okay. So now what is happening right here is that having seen this very particular triangle, what happened? The market has already broke below the triangle. So, and this is another what low here that the market is expecting. And mainly looking at this very particular low, it also shows that the market has broke below it. Yes, it has broke below it. Then with a very momentum bearish candle here. So this is to also to tell that there is still a powerful, or sellers are still in the market. Okay. So if you ask me, what I am seeing here is that this market may also likely come back to retest. It may not. It's just two things that are involved. It may come, it may not come back. But for me, this is what I am foreseeing. Okay. This is what I am foreseeing for the week. Okay. So this should be a projection for sell this week. And this should be the target. Okay. So the target is 17372.55. I hope you can see that by yourself here. You can see that by yourself here. 17372.55. That is the target here. So for me, if you ask me, I'm looking for sell this week. Okay, I'm looking for sell. But if this market may wants to return or start buying again from this very particular point, for me to buy with it, I would like to see something like this. Look at this. I'd like to see something like this. I want to see a kind of double bottom. Okay, so even if I'm seeing a double bottom here, so what it means is that I will still be very careful, because my target for buy may not also pass here until I see it do what? Break above. Okay, then retest. Then will I continue to buy? I think this should be very clear. But the main target is selling. I'm looking for sell. But if the market wants to reverse for me to buy, I want to see it work this very particular zone, double bottom. Let it give me a double bottom here. Okay, then I will buy. My first take profit is somewhere here. Okay, my first take profit is somewhere here. Then before I will wait for it to break, retest, then I'll buy again. This is very, very simple for me. So I hope this very particular analysis is clear. So guys, always have it in mind. We do not control the market. We are only trying to predict. We are only trying to project, trying to anticipate what the market may have in store for us. Okay. So I wish you a profitable trading week. Okay. So kindly consider subscribing. Okay. Turn on the notification, like and share the video so that when a new video comes up, you'll be notified. All right, guys. Bye.